Today is day 8. I'm going to pull some aloe vera babies. I'm gonna give it to my friends. I want to show you what it looks like. But if you have been following this journey with me, last night, this day 7, I have posted a video on YouTube about the aloe vera smoothies. And guys, let me tell you, it's wonderful. It tastes so delicious. I was so surprised. I made apple juice flavor for my husband, and I made grapes for myself. You know what's amazing about the this aloe vera? It's major laxative for my husband. I did not have that effect. He had a glass of aloe vera smoothies last night. Oh my god, he woke up in the morning saying that he went to the loo, had a pretty good bout. That's how good this is. It is very natural, no crumping. I want to show you some of these babies. So let's go ahead. I have some tools in here, so we're gonna pull this one. What I have here, Vera, guys, is so very easy to take care. They don't really need much of water to survive. You only need so little water. Almost there. I can feel it, but it's gonna come out. Look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? I got a baby aloe vera. This will grow fast if you plant them on the ground, and as you can see, some of my aloe vera on the other side of my house, I planted it on top of the gravel. I barely water them and they do grow. So if you put them in the pot, make sure that do not water too much. If you put too much water, they will die. But they do love to be on the ground, and they will give babies, a lot of babies within a year or so. Let's pull one more baby this side. And there's a tiny one right there. See? Very easy. That's another baby. This is how small it was when I started planting this big aloe vera. Pull another one right here. Behind this, another baby is behind. So I wonder if I can pull that together. There you go, the third one. Look at that. This is actually 2 plants right here. See, you can separate them. Pull more. There's one down here. Go. Another one. The tiniest one of all. Got one more here, one baby's pull. This is probably just very easy. The ground is soft. There. And it looks like it's already coming out when it's on. There. Look at this. Okay. I'm gonna come back and pluck some leaves for my 8th day of aloe vera challenge. Here we go. The aloe vera I harvested today. I'm gonna give that to a friend. Actually, one of my co-worker wanted it. Look at this tiny one. Tiny one. I am done digging some babies, aloe vera babies. The smallest I got today is this one. Take a look at that one. So tiny. And this will survive if you put them on the ground. And the biggest one I have is this one. I'm experimenting for how to propagate cutting of aloe vera. I'm not sure if it will survive, but we'll see. This is just an experiment. I just cut that without the roots of the aloe vera. And you see this tiny one? I'm gonna go ahead and plant that there. And we will see if this tiny one will survive. I'm sure it will. See how tiny it is? Alright, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye bye.